Hello everyone, welcome back to the space of deliciousness. I bought some plantains on a whim and days later I just knew I had to make oto or eto as the Akans call it, or simply put, mashed plantains. I made this quick meal with a few ingredients that I'll list in the description bar below as always. If you're new here, I'm extending a warm welcome to you. I hope you enjoy your stay here. Let's get cooking. I begin by prepping my dried tilapia. It's heavily salted, so I recommend soaking this in water for some time before cooking it. Oto is a sacred food made by the Ghanaian tribe of Ghana. This is usually made on special occasions such as naming ceremonies or for the Twins Festival, which is also known as Akwele Suma. Oto is also widely enjoyed by other tribes such as the Akans, who make this on birthdays and on the day of marriage for special brides. Now there's the yam version of this meal, which is equally delicious, but I'll always pick the plantains over the yam because in the ngomi dienche. There's no right or wrong way to make this meal. It all depends on you as a person and how you like your food. So you can play around with it. But I advise, if you decide to use Koobi, go easy on the salt, or better still, don't even add any at all, or else it will be overpowering. I'll cut up one onion which I'll grind, and the other I'll fry with oil and use as a garnish. The best type of plantains to use for oto are usually the ones that are not overly ripe. If you've made it this far into the video, then it means you are actually enjoying it. So kindly subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and hit the notification bell whilst you're at it so that you will be the first to know whenever I upload a video. Thank you. From this point on, I'm going to keep quiet and let you enjoy the video. I'll be back when it's all done. When you're done adding the palm oil, you can cut up the eggs, pear, and then add the peanuts and fish as garnish, rice in the earthenware pot. But then I decided to plate mine. I hope you give this a try and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.